morning, guys. Starting my day off with a BPC. Stands for Bulletproof Coffee. These are the K-Cups I buy, the decaf. And what I like to do is I put it up to 12 cups and I press strong and away we go. Such is my life, guys. Such is my life. So I was able to add some more water. We're going to press it and away we go. This is a great new Keurig. I love it. Cuisinart finally went and I decided to splurge. So the color LED screen is great. So yeah, BPC on its way with my skull mug. Yes. Here's the final result. Coffee, heavy cream, stevia, and butter. I'm not adding the coconut oil in there just because. Skull mug. Oh yeah, let's get this keto day 3 started. Out with the doggies, going for a walk on Saturday morning in Jersey. Look how beautiful the sky is. Yes, and we do have quite a bit of snow on the ground, but the weather is beautiful today. It's going to be, I think it's at 42, so Jess and I are planning on hiking today in the woods like we normally do in the summer, but we're going to go today and see how that goes. Trying to get some extra cardio in while trying to get my glucose stores down. Feeling so much lighter today. It's amazing how 2.5 days of going keto can make you feel so much lighter. So I'm excited. Probably going to eat before we go, since all I had this morning was the coffee with the butter and heavy cream. Definitely want to get some calories in before this hike, because remember, guys, I'm only back in it for a short time and I'm just so afraid of having a low blood sugar issue while I'm on the mountain. So I'm going to eat before we go. Obviously, I'm recording that for you. And yeah, so see you at lunchtime. Just came in from a walk with the dogs, as you just saw, and decided that I was hungry. Just a coffee and butter earlier is not going to fill me up right now. And I don't want to do anything to jeopardize the past 2 days. So I made myself breakfast, and I have 2 slices of bacon, 2 eggs over easy cooked in the bacon fat, and then I have 140 grams of avocado. So we have really good potassium, high fiber, good electrolytes within here. Got the great bacon for some protein and really good fat, which the eggs are cooked in, and those are small eggs. So, and that's a small plate. So anyway, that's going to be meal number 1 technically. I'm not going to count the coffee as a meal because it really wasn't. It was just butter and cream and some coffee. So here's a meal. I'm going to go eat this now. Jess decided he didn't want to go on the hike, so I'm going to hit the gym, and I'll see you after that. So I'm here editing videos and watching some videos and getting some inspiration, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. 600 calories in. Had my coffee with the butter and the eggs, avocado, and bacon, and now it is almost 1:30 in the afternoon, and guys, I can't even foresee myself eating another bite. I am so full right now. So yeah, I'm just sitting here and waiting for Jess. We're gonna go to the gym. Our plans have been changing all day long. First we were gonna go hiking, then we were gonna go to the gym, then we decided to take the dogs to the park and do a mini hike, and now it's getting colder, so we're gonna just hit the gym. But Jess is kind enough to take my truck in for an oil change, so sitting here in my bed. Yep, just waiting. Got my green cozy blanket. Just want to say hi. Staying focused. This is what's for lunch. So I have 1.5 cups of cabbage and carrot mix that I cooked in a frying pan with the bacon fat from this morning. This is 4 ounces of ground beef, 80-20. and 2 tablespoons of chunky blue cheese. So this is what's going down right now. It is 3:30, and this is meal number 2. See you at my next meal. So it is now 9:45, and I'm truly not even hungry, but I am gonna eat my dinner now. We've been out pretty much all afternoon, and it's almost 10 o'clock. Like, this is, to me, so strange when you eliminate the carbs and it's this late in the evening and you're not even hungry. And I probably shouldn't eat, but I don't want my metabolism to plummet. I want to keep my calories still at 1700. So I am gonna eat. So my last meal of the night, because we're like so late and I don't have time to sit and make a meal, I'm gonna eat the rest of that ground beef, 4 ounces of it, and I'm gonna have 2 tablespoons of the blue cheese dressing on top. That's gonna be it for dinner. And I will see you all. Maybe tomorrow I'll vlog again. I'm quite enjoying this, and I hope it's helping you guys with some meal ideas, even though today might have been a little boring. But you know what? I was on plan, not one cheat. Yes, staying focused. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this full day of eating. I'm gonna get my food out of the microwave right now. I'm gonna show you. Here's my gallon of water. This is my 2nd gallon of the day that I've been drinking, and I'm almost halfway. So I was at like 1.5 gallons. Let me slide this over. This is the blue cheese dressing that I'm going to use. It's full fat, and in 2 tablespoons, it has 15 grams of fat. And hold on, I'm going to pull out my ground beef. Here she is. So yes, 4 ounces of ground beef, chunky blue cheese on top, and there is dinner. Stay focused, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for tagging along. Bye.